Follow my Instagram please, link in the description below. Here's how to clean your katana at home without a kit. To start cleaning, you're going to need your katana, obviously, 1 to 2 microfiber or cloth rags, low diluted isopropyl alcohol, and some mineral oil, not baby oil. First step is to unsheath the katana and set the blade down on a safe place. You then want to clean the inside of the saya, or the sheath, by tapping its bottom on your hand and letting the filth fall out. Cleaning your katana without cleaning your saya is the equivalent of wearing dirty clothes after you shower. Next, put the saya down and pick up your katana and rag. Without applying anything on the rag, gently wipe the blade. This is going to get rid of any extra dirt on the blade. Be careful not to wipe too hard when cleaning the edges, unless you want to cut your rag. After that, dab that isopropyl alcohol on the rag and wipe the blade repeatedly. Don't overdo it on the alcohol, or it will dry up the katana, removing any protective coating. Overuse of alcohol can cause discoloration and fading to that wavy pattern on the blade. The alcohol will help get rid of any more dirt and grime we saw earlier. You want to immediately follow that up with dabbing your other rag with mineral oil. If you're using only one rag, just dab a different area of the rag, separate from where the alcohol was. Like before, wipe the rag up and down the blade gently a few times. Now you want to get the dry side of your rag and softly wipe the blade a couple times to get rid of excess oil. Alright, just sheath it and you are good to go. That's it, you're done.